Hey y'all, so today I'm coming at you with a new video. In this video, you're gonna see how I got my nails done in the coronavirus quarantine. So basically, you've heard about it. Coronavirus is here and apparently it's here to stay for a little while. So my birthday was Thursday and I was like, coronavirus, you're not about to stop me. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. So pretty much the governor mandated that people could not be gathering in places with more than 100 people. Then they had this meme about you're going to get your nails done because you know they have the myth about, well, I don't even know if it's a myth, but they have that myth about the origin of coronavirus being in China. Then someone came out with a meme saying, oh, but you still getting your nails done. And it just like it's putting a lot of hysteria out in the air. Nobody wants to go get their nails done. Nobody wants to do anything because you feel like you'll put yourself at risk for contamination of the coronavirus. But like I said, it's my birthday. It's time to turn up. So I need my nails done, I need my hair done, I need everything did. Hair's done, nail done, everything did. I'm fancy, yes. So on a typical day, I do not get my nails done. So no, I was not about to go get my nails done in the coronavirus atmosphere. So I came up with a quick solution on how to get my nails done in the coronavirus quarantine, and you'll be able to do the same thing. All right, enjoy. So the first thing I do is gather my supplies, which would be the cotton pads, alcohol, or nail polish remover, and the actual nails. I like to use this nail glue from Dollar Tree. So you get your artificial nails. You set everything up, of course, by opening up the nails. So you lay them out, and they usually have numbers, so you can order them by the number. Then you size them. So once you have them in order by numbers, it should be easier to size them. And pretty much what this would be considered is your prep. So you're prepping your nails prior to placing them on your finger. Just double checking to make sure what nails correspond with your fingers, because my number 2s I actually have to put on my finger number 3. So you always want to make sure you size up the nails prior to adhering them to your actual nails. So you'll see me doing that for the next few moments. So after you've sized up your nails, what you want to do is clean your actual nails and nail beds. If you have any polish or anything like that on it, you could go ahead and use your nail polish remover, but I just use isopropyl alcohol, and then I get to gluing the nails, which is step 2. So for the next few moments, you'll see me applying the glue to my nail and then the nail to the glue, which is on my nail. So I hold them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Of course, I have a time lapse or speed effect on this, so it doesn't look as if it's taking me quite as long. But yeah, I hold the nails onto my nail bed for 10 to 15 seconds just to make sure that they are adhering properly. I don't want them popping off in like 5 minutes. So of course, I'm going to repeat this step on all 10 fingers. So I'm moving right along to my second hand. I'm gonna be doing the same exact thing. Applying the glue, applying the nail. As you can see here, sometimes you will have air bubbles under the nail. So you always wanna press those extremely hard and for that 10 to 15 seconds, just to make sure that they are adhered properly. So you'll see I'm having a little trouble with this particular nail. I wasn't exactly satisfied with it, but it'll do. So I'm pretty much coming to the end of the road with adhering these nails, and soon you'll be able to see the finished look. Stay tuned. So as you see, I was able to get my nails done for the low. Literally, the artificial nails that I purchased were 75 cents at Walmart. I don't know why. They're not normally that cheap. But yeah, I got my nails done for 75 cents. Not at risk for the coronavirus unless I have it. And I pray to God I do not. But yeah, that is a quick and easy fix on how to get your nails done, not put yourself at risk of contamination, and still slay. Y'all know I'm all about affordable slay. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, give me some more video suggestions. Honey, help me figure out what to do with my hair, because this is my natural hair. Obviously, it's like just doing its own thing, and I really need help. So if you could give me some suggestions on what to do with 4C hair, that would be greatly appreciated too. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Slay all day in your free full set. All right. And though I did make light of the coronavirus, I did want to give some tips and just some helpful information regarding the coronavirus, because it is declared a pandemic at this point. So watch for the symptoms. Symptoms can appear 2 to 14 days after exposure, and those symptoms would be a fever, cough, shortness of breath. If you develop emergency warning signs of coronavirus, you should get medical attention immediately. The emergency warning signs would include difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion or inability to arouse, bluish lips or face. So basically, I'm reading this from the CDC. So this is the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. That is where I am getting this information from. So I'm not just pulling this out the crack of my booty. Okay. So also how to protect yourself. It says that older adults and people who have severe underlying chronic medical conditions like heart or lung disease or diabetes could be at higher risk for developing more serious complications of coronavirus. So please consult with health care providers about additional steps to take to protect yourself. There's no vaccine currently, so I think that's why there's so much hysteria. So there's no vaccine to prevent the coronavirus disease. The best way to prevent it is to avoid being exposed to the virus. So that's why people are trying to stay away from public places or public gatherings, because there's no vaccine, so it could just easily spread from individual to individual. The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person. That's just exactly what I was saying. So between people who are in close contact with one another. So you can contract this virus within 6 feet of one person. 6 feet is tall. I'm still looking for a 6 foot or above husband, and it's been a long time and I ain't found him yet. So you can 6 feet, you can contract coronavirus from that distance. And that's through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So yeah, these droplets can land in the mouths or nose of people who are nearby, or possibly be inhaled into the lungs. So the steps to avoid the coronavirus: clean your hands often. Wash your hands. You should already be doing that, but please do that. If soap and water are not readily available, you should use hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. And the Equate brand in Walmart is 62%. That's what I have, so I'm good. You want to cover all surfaces of your hands and rub them together until they feel dry. You want to avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. You want to avoid close contact. Stay home if you're sick. Cover your coughs and sneezes. This is practical though. Wear a face mask if you are sick. And if you're a caregiver of sick people. So that's the thing about face masks. Wear the face mask if you're sick and if you're caring for somebody that's sick. Healthy people shouldn't have to wear the face mask, but I'm gonna leave that. And you just wanna constantly clean and disinfect. So That's all I have for the video. Thank you again for watching. Bye.